Oh, he took it out of the side that was sticking out there. There was a piece hanging out the side, and he took it.
Maybe he's trying to plug that hole up.
Oops.